I'm going to show you how to make this delicious gluten-free chocolate cake. It's super easy to do and it's ready in no time. Let's go to the kitchen. So for this cake, you need 200 grams of butter, 200 grams of dark chocolate, 200 grams of sugar. I use cane sugar, 4 eggs and 100 grams of corn flour. Put the butter and the chocolate in a bowl and put it in the microwave for about 1 minute until it's all melted. Once the chocolate and the butter are melted, simply add 200 grams of sugar. Then add the 4 eggs and give it all a good mix. Next, add 100 grams of corn flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt, and then give it all a good mix again. Put it in a cake tin. Make sure you line the bottom of the cake tin with non-stick baking paper, and you're going to put it in the oven at 170 degrees. This cake needs to be on low heat. It needs to stay really moist on the inside. We're going to put it in the oven for between 20 and 35 minutes, I would say. It depends a bit on how wide your cake tin is. This one is quite small, so the batter in the cake tin is quite thick. So I think it's going to cook for 30 minutes and we get to see how it's doing. As predicted, I had to let it cook for 40 minutes. Now I'm going to let it cool down. And there you go. Look at this. We have a cake that's really very, very moist and wet in the middle. Absolutely delicious. Just as well I don't make this every day, or I'd put on a lot of weight. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any special requests for a recipe, please post it in the comments below. It would be a pleasure to make it for you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy this one, I bet you will enjoy that one next. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.